Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the location tracking on the Brave browser in 2026. So let's dive into this. Launch the Brave browser on your device like your desktop computer or laptop. Next, click into these three lines in the top right, choose settings. Here guys, in your settings navigate to privacy and security. Next, navigate to site and shield settings. After that, click into location under permissions here. And now you can set a default behavior, for example, or a default rule for your Brave browser, for example. Choose sites can ask you for location. However, guys, if you'd like to block this, switch to the other option below. After that, guys, what you want to do is you may also set a specific rule for a website you visit. For instance, let's say you're on google.com. To do that, click into this symbol next to the URL address and then click into site settings, and then you will need to change the location tracking settings for the specific site so that it has an exceptional permission. For example, if you have chosen a general rule here and would like to apply a specific rule for the specific given website. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.